Are you thinking about studying in Canada and wondering how to navigate the student visa application process this year? In this video, you will learn everything you need to know about applying for a Canadian student visa in 2024, including key requirements and steps. Whether you're a high school student looking to pursue a degree in Canada or an international student interested in studying abroad, this video is perfect for you. Applying for a Canadian student visa can be a daunting task, but by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the entire process. From choosing the right university to preparing for your visa interview, we'll cover it all. We'll discuss the essential documents you need to gather, the application fees and timelines, and everything in between. So, if you're ready to take the first step towards studying in Canada, let's get started. Many international students find the visa application process overwhelming and confusing. We will address common challenges and questions you may have. Have you ever wondered what type of documents you need to submit, or how to demonstrate your financial capabilities? What are the language proficiency requirements for a Canadian student visa, and how can you prepare for your IELTS or TOEFL exam? We'll answer these questions and many more in this video. Understanding the visa application process is crucial to your success, and we'll break it down into manageable steps. From creating an online account with Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada to submitting your application, we'll guide you through each step. You may be wondering how long the application process takes, or what to expect during your visa interview. We'll provide you with valuable insights and tips to help you navigate the process with confidence. Additionally, we'll discuss the importance of having a clear and concise statement of purpose and how to demonstrate your ties to your home country. We'll also explore the role of a designated learning institution and how to choose the right university for your academic goals. Don't worry if you're feeling overwhelmed. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the entire process. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you with the information you need to succeed. So, let's dive deeper into the application process and explore the detailed steps involved. You will explore the detailed steps involved in the application process, from gathering necessary documents to understanding the application fees and timelines. The first step in applying for a Canadian student visa is to choose the right university. This is a critical decision that requires careful consideration, as it will impact your entire academic experience. Once you've chosen a university, you'll need to apply for admission. This typically involves submitting your academic transcripts, language proficiency test results, and other supporting documents. After you've been accepted into a university, you'll need to apply for a study permit. This is the official document that allows you to study in Canada. To apply for a study permit, you'll need to create an online account with Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada. This will allow you to submit your application and track its progress. When submitting your application, you'll need to provide a range of supporting documents, including proof of language proficiency, proof of financial support, and a police certificate. One of the most critical documents you'll need to submit is a letter of acceptance from a designated learning institution. This letter confirms your admission to a Canadian university. In addition to submitting your application and supporting documents, you'll also need to pay an application fee. This fee currently stands at $150 Canadian. After submitting your application, you'll need to wait for it to be processed. This can take several weeks or even months, so it's essential to plan ahead. Once your application has been approved, you'll receive a letter of introduction, which you'll need to present to a border services officer when you arrive in Canada. The key moment will focus on the critical requirements that could make or break your visa application, including tips on avoiding common pitfalls. One of the most critical requirements for a Canadian student visa is demonstrating your financial capabilities. This involves showing that you have sufficient funds to support yourself during your studies. Another critical requirement is demonstrating your language proficiency. This can be done by submitting IELTS or TOEFL test results, or by providing proof of language proficiency in another way. Additionally, you'll need to demonstrate your ties to your home country. This involves showing that you have strong connections to your home country and that you intend to return after completing your studies. We will summarize the key points discussed, emphasizing the importance of proper preparation and understanding the application process to ensure your success. In conclusion, applying for a Canadian student visa requires careful planning and preparation. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be well on your way to achieving your academic goals. Remember, understanding the application process is key to your success. By taking the time to prepare and plan, you'll be able to navigate the process with confidence. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on studying in Canada, and leave your questions in the comments below for me to answer.